Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to recover a hacked or lost Steam account. First, go to Steam and click on Support. Then select Help, my account was stolen or hacked. Next, click Reset Password and enter the email address linked to your account. Now if you have access to that email, you'll get a verification code by email. If not, you can't use that email anymore. Enter your current email here, where you'll receive the response. Next, what was your username or login for the account you're trying to recover? What was the first or earliest email linked to your account? Enter it here. Also, add any phone number that was ever linked to your Steam account. Include any other relevant info you know. You can attach receipt files here. Definitely include receipts for game purchases on this account. You can also add info about other email addresses you remember, like a parent's email and family sharing. Enter Steam guard codes if you have them, then hit send. Support usually responds within 24 hours. Thanks everyone, goodbye.